Hello, welcome sa atuang kuan. First video nga mag-solve ta og problem no. Nga i-send sa tuwa kay ipasulay og solve na to. Atong testingan og makaya ba. So nata dire, ang atuang problem dire is mag-evaluate lang tag limits sa mga functions no. So atong basahon. Evaluate the limit of the following functions in column A, then match each limit with answers in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer. So given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. So the first problem is atong pangitaon ang limit sa f of x plus g of x as x approaches to 3. Okay. Now, ang ato ang strategy sa pag-solve ani is syempre kinahanglan nato og backup sa tuang solution nganong natay ka-justify nga nung inato ang paggamit nato or inato ang pag-solve no. So nata dre theorems on limits. So kani siya kay gikan ni sa Shom's outline calculus. Akong gi-copy ang akong gi-copy ni mga theorems niya. Muna atong gamiton pang justify sa atong solution. So natay theorem 7.1, if f of x is equal to c, a constant, then the limit of f of x as x approaches to a is equal to c. And then for the next 5 theorems, we assume that the limit of f of x as x approaches a exists and it is equal to capital A, and that the limit of g of x as x approaches to a is exists and it equal to the number capital B. So ako lang is dapat nag-exist na niya, no? Nag-exist dapat ni. Kaya kung wala ni nag-exist ning mga limit, dili ato magamit ning theorem 7.2. Dito na ito magamit ang theorem 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, o 7.6. So, in fact, ang ato ang kuan ani, ang ato ang flow sa ato ang solution ani is ani. Natay steps, no? So, step 1, ang atong step 1 is find the limit of f of x as x approaches to a and the limit of g of x as x approaches to a, and then sa step 2 use theorems 7.2 to 7.6 and step 1 to solve the problems. So muna siya ito ang strategy. Okay. So step 1, ato sa pangitaon ang limit ni f of x as x approaches to a o ang limit ni g of x as x approaches to a, and then pag nanataan na ato din gamiton ang theorems 7.2 to 7.6 para ma-solve na to ang problem. Okay, problem number 1. So nato diri, the limit of f of x plus g of x as x approaches to 3 ay unsa ang limit ana niya. So kung tanaw na to ni siya ang problem is atong i-highlight na ato diri sum sa duha ka function. Gi-add na to ang f of x o g of x. Usa na to siya gi-limit sa as x approaches to 3. So kung tanaw na to diri sa theorem, ang ato ang buhaton is mangita ta diri og nag-involve og sum. So for example, dili gid ni sa example gani kay specific man ni. Diri sa tuang theorem 7.3 nagi-indicate diri ang limit sa sum or sa subtraction o sa difference between f of x o g of x kay parehas ra sa sum or difference sa limit sa kada function. So the limit of f of x, either plus or minus g of x, is parehas ra siya sa limit ni f of x plus or minus sa limit ni g of x. So step 1, ato sang pangitaon ang limit ni f of x o g of x. So kana atong gamito no. This kay tools or theorem na gamiton. So, solution. So, solution. Itong step 1. So, the limit of f of x as x approaches to, ang ato ang A3 na case is 3. So, this is equal to the limit of x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x approaches to 3. Now, kaning x squared plus 4x plus 4 kay polynomial ni siya. Kung tanang polynomial kay continuous. Unya, naatay theorem ana o result na nagsulti. Na kung ang function ni gani nimo nga kuha limit kay continuous, imo ra i-substitute diretso ang imong a. So, diri nga case mahimo ra ni siya og 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 4. So, mahimo ra ni siya og 9 plus 12 plus 4. So, mahimo ni siya og 13 plus 12. So, this is equal to 25. Ano ko? Yes, 25. So, 25 ang limit sa f of x as x approaches to 3. And then next, natong pangitaon is ang limit sa ato ang g of x. So, ang limit sa g of x na to diri as x approaches to 3 is equal to the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches to 2. Again, ang x minus 2 is a polynomial. So, this is a continuous function na siya. So, kay continuous man, ato rang i-result substitute ang 2 sa x. So, naa kay 3, sorry. So, naa kay 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Okay. So, okay na ang step 1. Ato na to sa step 2. Now, sa step 2 is ito tong mamili ta og theorem na magamit na to ani. So, kay sama ni, kung gisulti na ko ganina, atong pangitaon sa theorem is katumpong forma nga sum which is kanina case is theorem 7.3. Muli sa theorem 7.3, ang limit sa sum is sum lang po sa mga limit. So, step 2. Step 2 by theorem 7.3, the limit of f of x plus g of x as x approaches to 3 is equal to the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 plus the limit of g of x as x approaches to 3. Unya, kaya nakuha na ito ni, this is 25 and this is 1. So, this is equal to 26. So, kaya ron sure tagamay ato sang kanaon naba siya sa ato ang choices. Naaba ang number nga 26 sa atong choices. In fact, nasa diri ano. Honest na. 26. Ano siya? 26. So, letter D, letter. Okay. Mga na, at ito sa problem number 2. Problem number 2. Control this. Okay. So, problem number 2. Sorry. This is problem number 2. Now, kung tanaw na to ang problem number 2, nag-involve siya og square root, no? 2 times the limit of the square root of f of x as x approaches to 7. So, ito lang muna ang naon ani is, ang kanang square root is para sa nagsasab na kay 2 na 2 sa f of x. 2 sa square root sa f of x is na 2. So, kasi tawag na by convention, instead nga butang 2, di na lang isulat ang 2. So, kay kani magdagway ang ato ang pangita ang limit, ngita naman sa ato ang theorem o nag-involve o square root or paan o root. So, diri Sa theorem 7.6, no? Dahil sa to, ang theorem 7.6, na-adri nag-involve og kwaon og in root and root. So, according dali sa theorem 7.6, ang limit sa imuhang nth root sa imong f of x kay parehas ra sa nth root sa limit ni f of x as x approaches to a. So, dito sa to ang problem number 2, ang n dito, pulihan ra na to og 2. So, sa ito pa, kung makabalo ta sa limit ni f of x as x approaches to a, kwaon ra na to ang square root niya, matulog na to ang problem. So, kana na. Ito ang strategy. So, solution. Step 1, the limit of f of x as x approaches to 7 is equal to the limit of x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x approaches to 7. So, this becomes, again, kay polynomial ang x squared plus 4x plus 4, ato lang i-distribute dito, atong i-substitute dito ang 7. So, nakay 7 squared plus 4 times 7 plus 4. So, this is 49 plus 4 times 7 is 28 plus 4. Ayun, gamit ang calculator. So, calculator, 49 plus 28 plus 4 is equal to 81. So, this is equal to 81. Okay. Next part is step 2. Step 2 is ang mangita tatong theorem na kinahanglan na to. Na adriya, theorem 7.6. So, by theorem 7.6, the limit of the square root of f of x as x approaches to 7 is equal to the square root of the limit of f of x as x approaches to 7, which is equal to square root of 81, which is equal to 9. And muna na sa final na solution. So, easy peasy. So, in fact, naana dali sa choices na to, dapat ang 9. Oops. Wala dali ang 9. Naana dito sa bikas. Asa to? Nine. Ay, sorry. Mode ay. Nalimtan na to nga naday times 2. Okay. So, in fact, na pa na times 2 dre. Itong nalimtan. Times 2. Times 2. So, 2 times 9 isa. So, times 2. 2 times 9 which is equal to 18. So, this is 18. And the final answer is 18, which is dito sa to ang column 2. Okay. So, kanilang no, 2 steps lang siya. Next is problem number 3. Problem number 3. Okay. In problem number 3, we are asked to find the limit of the product of f and g as x approaches to -5. So, kung tanaw na to, if product mo siya, so mangita tayo ito ang theorem na nag-involve og product or multiplication sa duha ka function. So, kung tanaw to diri ng mga theorem is nata diri theorem 7.4. According sa theorem 7.4 is basta product, ang gipangita nimo is limit sa product sa duha ka function f of g. Ang limit ana niya is the same lang sa product sa limit ni f of ni g. So kung makabalo na ta sa limit ni f o kabalo na pud ta sa limit ni g, then automatic kabalo na rin ta sa limit sa product. Ato lang i-multiply ang ilang kada limit. Then mo na rin itong solution. So step 1, solution. So the limit of f of x as x approaches to -5 is equal to the limit of x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x approaches to -5, which is equal to -5 squared plus 4 times 5 plus 4. This is equal to 25 plus 20 plus 4. So this is equal to 49. And then next is the limit of g of x as x approaches to -5 is the same as the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches to -5. But then x minus 2 is a polynomial. Pwede na ito i-substitute dito sa -5 na kay -5 minus 2, which is the same as -7. Next is step 2. May na ito sa nga theorem atong gamiton. Natay theorem 7.4. So, by theorem 7.4, we have that the limit of f of x times g of x as x approaches to -5 is the same as the limit of x as x approaches to -5 times the limit of g of x as x approaches to -5. And this is equal to 49 times -7. So, okay. Ito na isang kaunang product kanin nila. Okay. Gamit na patag calculator. 49 times -7. Which is equal to 343. -343. Which in fact, wala nag-exist sa to ang choices. But, siya diri sa ato ang ikaduhang choice. Nga naman eh. Safe mo siguro pagkwintaan. Okay, safe guys. This is -20. -20. Okay? So, 25 minus 20 is, of course, 5. As an remote 4, so this is 9. So, 9 lang na siya. 25 minus an remote 20 is 5 plus 4 is 9, of course. Okay. Ngayon, 9 times 7 lang. 9 times 7, this is equal to -63. And this is our final answer, which is nasa to ang choices. -63. Kanina nga guys. Okay. Next problem is 4. Problem number 4. So we are asked to find the limit of the ratio. No? So Control C. Control V. Okay. This is problem number 4. Kung tanaw na to ang problem number 4, nag-involve siya og ratio between g of x og square root ni f of x. Now, atong isang kuanon, atong isang bungkagon. So first, ang atong buhaton is unsa nga theorem atong gamiton kung nag-involve na siya og division sa duha ka function. So nato diri, theorem 7.5. According sa theorem 7.5, kung ang pangitaan nimong limit is f of x divided by c of x, then ang x nimo is i-approach nimo kang a, para siya sa limit ni f of x as x approaches to a divided by the limit of g of x as x approaches to a. Pero kinahanglan kabalo ka na unsay limit ni kuan, limit ni ini limit ni f of x of g of x. So di na sa nato na problemahon ng square root. I-assume lang sa nato nga kuan na siya. Ay in fact pwede na ito i-assume, pwede na ito diretso ng og solve, no? So kuan lang ni mag-sketch na ito para makita na ito ang court naman eh. So sketch. So ang limit ni x, ang limit ni g of x as x approaches to 3, g of x divided by square root of f of x is equal lang siya sa limit ni g of x divided by as x approaches to 3 divided by the limit as x approaches to 3 of square root ni f of x. Now, katong last na to, theorem 7.6. Ang limit sa nth root ni f of x, which is kani is para sa nth root sa limit ni f of x as x approaches to a. So, pwede na nato na siya isulat as the limit of g of x as x approaches to 3 divided by the square root of the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3. On the assumption that the limit ni g of x as x approaches to 3 and the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 exist. Otherwise, dili na to pwede gamiton tong theorem. So, kinahanglan sa ato ni i-provide na tinuod na siya. So, kaya gusto mo itong i-provide na tinuod na siya para sa atong i-establish ang step 1. Okay. Ano sa naman eh. So, we now go to step 1. So, ang solution. Sorry. So, the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3 is the same as the limit of x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x approaches to 3. And again, the f of x there is a polynomial, pwede rin na ito i-substitute ang a, which is in this case 3. So, nakay 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 4. So, this is equal to 9 plus 12 plus 4, which is again, this is equal to 25. Nasolve na natin last time. Okay. Sunod is, ang limit ni g of x as x approaches to 3 is the same as the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches to 3. So, this is just 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, na-establish na ang existence sa mga limit ni f of x of g of x as x approaches to 3. Ang next step is katulad yung gamitin na itong mga theorems. So, step 2. Ang limit ni g of x divided by the square root of f of x as x approaches to 3 is the same as the limit of g of x as x approaches to 3 divided by the limit of the square root of f of x as x approaches to 3 by theorem, itong theorem na nag-involve of division, theorem 7.5 kani. So, by theorem 7.5. And then, nagsulti po dito sa ito ang theorem 7.6. Pwede nimo isulod ang limit sa square root. So, mahimo na ni siya o limit of g of x as x approaches to 3 divided by the square root of the limit of f of x as x approaches to 3. And then, kapalit na taon sa limit ni g of x, this is equal to 1. And then, square root sa limit ni f of x, which is 25. So, this is 25. So, this is equal to 1/5. So, diri okay, sa nato ang solution is 1/5, which is, in fact, is na siya sa tuang column B. So, muna siya itong solution. So, column B, mangita ko na ito daw. Tara, column B, natay H, which is 1/5. Okay. Next problem. So, number 5, okay na siya. Number 6. Okay, ito na yung episode ang number 6. Number 6. Control C. So, this is number 6. Now, number 6 can nag-involve siya of difference between two functions, no? G of x minus f of x. Now, pagkita mo gamit atong theorem na po, theorem 7.3, pero kung may tataglaing solution, di taganahan na, pwede na ito na siya diretso i-solve, i-simplify na to ang g of x minus f of x. Okay. Hintay lang, di takabulo, ay di taganahan mo gamit atong strategy nga isulat na to ganina. Di tataglaing ito. So, makikita na to, pwede nyo sa i-simplify. Ang g of x minus f of x kaya equal siya sa x minus 2 minus x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this is the same as x minus 2 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. So this simplifies to negative x squared minus 3x, no? Dayon minus 6. Okay, so nakay minus, sakto ba? Minus x squared minus 3x minus 6. Okay. So, pwede mo siya isulat as negative 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay, tungod ana, pwede mo isulat ang limit ni as x approaches to negative 2 of g of x minus f of x is equal to the limit as x approaches to negative 2 times negative 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 6. Then, pwede mo na ipagawas ang negative 1 na tayo result ang x minus x approaches to negative 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 6. And then, kay polynomial man ang x squared plus 3x plus 6, substitute nimo dito sa negative 2. So, nakaka negative 1 times negative 2 squared plus 3 times negative 2 plus 6. So, this becomes negative 1, 4, minus 6 plus 6. Cancel out ang 2 kasi x. So, this is equal to negative 4. Mut lang ito na ito. Huwag na ba dito sa choices? Negative 6. Uy, wala yung negative 6 choices sa'yo. Balik tayo sa ito ang calculations. Okay. How about g of x minus, okay. Natay x minus 2 minus x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, natay x minus 2 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4, okay. Minus x squared, good. Minus x squared, x, ayun, minus 4x, na kay minus 3x. Next is, okay, mag-cancel out ni, so na, okay, negative 6. Okay. Sakto man siya. Ano mo naman sa no? Mas kasi yun na lang kayo eh. So naka-limit of negative 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 6 as x approaches to negative 2. So this should be equal to negative 4. Pero wala sa choices. Save ko. So it should be negative 6. But anyway, ang natin is, i-select mo lang. Kapuya na po kung subay. Sige, subayin niyo naman ito. Naka g of x minus f of x. Is up to x minus 2 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. Naka minus x squared minus 3x. X minus 2 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. Kasi mo kung sa'yo pa na. Negative x squared minus 3x minus 6. Factor out ng negative 1. Okay. The limit as x approaches to negative 2. Why? Why? Kung katong alternative, or katong ang establish na sa inyo ko nisa. The limit g of x as x approaches to negative 2 is, in fact, once ano? Negative 2 minus 2. So this is equal to negative 4. And ang limit ni f of x as x approaches to negative 2, this is equal to negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 4. So this is equal to, okay, so this is 4 plus minus 6 plus 4. So this is equal to negative 2 plus 4. So this is equal to 2. Okay. 2 na siya. So the limit of g of x minus f of x as x approaches to negative 2 then becomes negative 4 minus 2, which is equal to negative 6. So, save ko. Save siya. Naku, save doon sa kung ang algebra. Okay. Negative 6. Natodrive na ba negative 6? And then, wala po yung negative 6. I see. Na ay negative 4. In fact, na ay negative 4. Na negative 4. Sakto na siya negative 4. Okay, negative 4, negative 2. Okay. 4 times negative 2. In fact, ako ang salit dali. 4 times negative 2. Hindi ko pala 6. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8. So this is equal to 0. In fact, lalangin naman tayo sa iyo kaya ng algebra. This is equal to 0. So negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4, which is the correct solution. Okay, and then see you sa next video. Dapat ay isolve niya 4 kabo problems. Sorry sa nalangay nga problem na number 6. Okay. Stop recording.